Hey there, do you know what is the pacemaker of the heart? If not, don't miss this video, because here I am going to answer it in the simplest possible way. We are very much aware that our heart is a central pumping organ of our body. That has to act as dual pump so that it can supply oxygenated blood to an individual's entire body, fulfilling the body's nutritional and other demands. To efficiently perform its function, the heart has to pump blood in a rhythmical manner, where rhythmicity is the ability of a tissue to produce its own impulses regularly. It is also called autorhythmicity or self-excitation. The property of rhythmicity is present in all the tissues of the heart. However, the heart has a specialized excitatory structure from which the discharge of impulses is rapid. This specialized structure is called a pacemaker. From there, the impulses spread to other parts through the specialized conductive system. A pacemaker is the structure of the heart from which the impulses for the heartbeat are produced. It is formed by the pacemaker cells called P cells. These pacemaker cells not only form a single structure inside the heart, but together they make a complete conduction system of the heart. And the purpose of that system is to generate and transmit impulses throughout the cardiac muscles, and thus ultimately cause the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart. Mainly, the normal heart has three intrinsic pacemaking tissues: the SA node, the AV node, and the Purkinje fibers. All these tissues have pacemaking activity, and the term pacemaker activity refers to the spontaneous time-dependent depolarization of the cell membrane that leads to an action potential in an otherwise resting cell. We had explained this generation of action potential in a very detailed video under the title Cardiac Action Potential and Excitation Contraction Coupling. You can watch it for the detailed concept. So, any cardiac cell with pacemaker activity can initiate the heartbeat. But the only structure that is called the pacemaker of the heart is the Sinoatrial node. It was Lewis Sir Thomas who named SA node as a pacemaker of heart in 1918. And we know that the Sinoatrial or SA node is a small strip of modified cardiac muscle situated in the superior part of the lateral wall of the right atrium, just below the opening of the superior vena cava. The fibers of this node do not have contractile elements and are continuous with fibers of the atrial muscle, so that the impulses from the SA node spread rapidly through the atria. But, as we mentioned earlier, the entire conduction system is made of pacemaker cells. And so, other parts of the conduction, such as the atrioventricular or AV node, atria and ventricle, also can produce the impulses and function as pacemakers. Still, only SA node is called the primary pacemaker of the heart. Well, it is because the rate of production of impulse rhythmicity is more in the SA node than in other parts of the heart. It is about 60 to 100 beats per minute, whereas the rhythmicity of other parts of human heart is 40 to 60 per minute in AV node, and 35 to 40 per minute in Purkinje fibers. That means if only the AV node is generating impulses, the heart rate will be 40 to 60 beats per minute. And if it is generated by Purkinje fibers only, the heart rate will be even slower, that is 35 to 40 beats per minute. So, the only structure that maintains the normal rhythmical beating of the heart is the Sinoatrial node. That is between 60 to 100 beats per minute. That's why the SA node is called the pacemaker of the heart. There are some experimental shreds of evidence as well that proves the SA node is the pacemaker of the heart, such as stimulation of SA node by any means accelerates the heart rate. Second, the destruction of the SA node causes immediate stoppage of the heartbeat, and after some time, the atrioventricular node becomes the second pacemaker and starts generating the impulses. so the heart starts beating, but the rate is slow. Third, the local cooling of the SA node decreases the heart rate, while local warming of the SA node increases the heart rate. And lastly, the electrical activity starts first in SA node, proving it is the actual and prime pacemaker of the heart. So this was all. For more interesting videos, keep watching sqadia.com.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.